Welcome guys. In this video I would like to show you how to change Google account or Gmail password. So let's start. Take any device and search in Google by typing change Gmail password. Type or select this Gmail, which password you want to change. Type your current password. Note, this video is made for how to change Google account or Gmail password. But if you forget your Google account or Gmail password, check description for another video, how to recover Google account or Gmail password. Note, new password must be strong password. I have given an example of strong password, follow it. Wow! Password is updated. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.